Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the 4th Element 3mm bibless hood. So this is great for the warmer waters or where you just want a little something covering up your heads because a lot of heat can be lost from your head, especially while scuba diving. But if you don't want anything too chunky, you don't want a 5 or a 7mm hood, then this is a great just sort of cover, just to cover everything up and keep the water away from your head. So 3mm of neoprene, nice and thin, nice and flexible as well, so it's comfortable. You can still hear what's going on and you can still move around, you can move your jaw around, so it's nice and comfortable. Up at the top of the hood we have a venting system. So 2 layers of neoprene are sandwiched at the top and they both have perforations going through them, and this allows any expanding gas that's on the inside of the hood as you ascend to escape. Otherwise the entire hood just kind of inflates on your head. This just allows that expanding gas to escape out, but it doesn't allow cold water to flush in, which is a very nice feature. All of the stitching over the hood is blind stitching, and this is true blind stitching because on the inside you can't see any seams. So that just means that this is very soft and comfortable against your head. You're not going to get any rubbing whilst you're in the water. Again, it's just much more comfortable. But because it's blind stitch, it means that the needle doesn't go all the way through the neoprene, and that way water doesn't have a channel to get through into the hood. On the inside, as you just saw, this is all glideskin material. So this is Hydrolock, very effective at sealing against the skin, especially when it's wet. And that just means that water cannot transfer, or it's very slow to transfer into the hood. So you actually stay dry for a long period of the dive. But even when water does make its way in, it acts as a wetsuit. It warms that water up and it keeps your head nice and warm. So that continues throughout the entire hood. So this is all metal or Hydrolock. And across the chin, you just have that single stitching. Again, it's blind stitching, so you don't get that rubbing section over the chin. It's nice and smooth and it's nice and comfortable. So this is bibless as well. So you can wear this with a dry suit or with a wetsuit. It's that great kind of all-rounder. 3mm, it's great for the warmer, sort of warmer months, especially in the UK, just where you need something to cover up your head and sort of protect it from that little chill. This is the 4th Element 3mm bibless hood. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.